Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit text inside an image using Canva's powerful Magic Studio tools. Whether you've got a graphic or photo with text that you want to update, refresh, or even correct, by the end of this video, you'll know how to make those changes seamlessly, no advanced skills needed. Let's get right into it. So here I have an image loaded up in Canva, and let's say we aren't happy with the text that's already there, or maybe we need to fix a typo or update some details for a project. The first thing you want to do is click directly on the image. This tells Canva, hey, this is the image I want to work with. It sounds simple, but it's important. Make sure you're clicking the image itself, not a background layer or another element, otherwise you won't see the right options. Once you've selected your image, look up in the top bar for the Edit button and give that a click. This opens up a variety of editing options for your image. Now we're looking specifically for the Magic Studio tools. These are really powerful features that Canva has brought in to help make complicated edits super simple. Inside Magic Studio, scroll through the options until you find one called Grab Text. Think of Grab Text like a highlighter that can magically identify and pull out any text that's part of your image, even if it wasn't added in Canva originally, but is actually part of a photo or a flattened file. Select Grab Text by clicking on it. Now you'll see Canva scan the image and try to find all the different bits of text it can. Move your mouse over the different recognized text segments and select the text you want to edit. If you have multiple pieces of text, take your time and click on the right one. If you ever feel unsure, don't worry, Canva's preview will make it clear which part you're working on. Once you've picked out the text you want to change, go ahead and click Grab on the Grab Text panel. You might notice a little loading spinner here. This part could take a moment or two depending on how detailed your image is. Just be patient and let Canva do its thing. When the text editor pops up, you can now type in your new text. Maybe you want to change a date, fix a spelling mistake, or totally rewrite the words. It's totally up to you. After you've typed in your changes, Canva will automatically update your image preview. It's kind of like using an eraser and a pen directly on your picture, except it all happens digitally. Now here's a good tip. If you notice that you missed a piece of text or maybe there's a second line you want to edit, you can always repeat the process. Go back to Grab Text, select a different chunk of text, and follow the same steps. Don't worry about making a mistake. Canva won't mess up your original image unless you click Save, so you can always start over if you need to. And that's pretty much it. Editing text inside an image in Canva is that simple thanks to Magic Studio's Grab Text tool. Now you can fix up old flyers, update product images, or personalize memes, all within a couple of clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give the video a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's something else you'd like me to cover. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more super useful Canva tricks and creative tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.